Started out here with an ellipse, and then we created our dome shape, and you can see it here, and then we have another ellipse. Now what we're going to do is curve this line. From there, you can kind of see the mushrooms starting to take place, but mushrooms are pretty easy to draw, but we need to add into it to make it more interesting. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create another ellipse over here. And I'm going to create the other dome shape. And another small ellipse, and then I'm going to bring that one to come in behind the first one. Now I'm going to add in one more mushroom here because I want to talk about the different types of mushrooms. So this one's going to be domed up higher. And this one is going to be more of a stumpier shape. Now that we have them started, let's go in and add the detail information to it. So the first thing I want to do is, if my light is coming from over here, you can see my arrow, that's where my light's coming from. That means that this side of my mushroom is going to be darker, and it gets lighter as it goes around, but I'm going to add in just a little bit of shadow there. On the underside, and then you want to come in here and you want to create, notice that I didn't go right up to the edge. This is going to be the lip of our mushroom because it hangs down. So you want to kind of go around there to give it that shadow. And then I'm going to bring lines back towards the center that get lighter as they get back towards the stem. And notice that you want them to look like they're V-shaped. Now this side of this one, so you can see our stem. Now I'm not going to touch that second one in the back because it's shaded the same way. I want to come to this little guy up here because he's going to be really, really dark underneath that because it's a really deep bowl shape. And your shadowing is about the same. But you need to add a little bit of extra shadow over here on this side because the other mushroom is actually shading this one. So he's darker than the top mushroom. Now his stem is going to pretty much be a shadow. It's just going to be darker on the edges. And there is your mushroom.